Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's MySQL debut tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a backup script file for all the databases, and the backup will be separately created for the every databases, and we'll just create the zip for the including all the databases in Windows. So there is a backup script. So just I'm going to explain the backup script here. So here I'm just writing the setting the timestamp. I'm reading from the local date time from the OS. And next is a dbuser. I'm giving the root. So as per your provided dbuser details, so you provide give the dbuser name, and here I'm just setting the dbuser password. So password is admin@123. Just be confirmed with the DB username and password if database is accessible with this DB user or password or not, because all the databases should be uh, right to just access the database with this user. And second, I'm going to create an backup folder. So that folder I'll just create, keep all the logs and backup on that folder. So that is I'll create in C drive. So as per your requirement, you can create in another drive. So this is for the demo purpose, so I'm creating the C drive. So my backup SQL backup auto backup folder is created. Folder is empty now. Next, I'm just setting with that just now created folder with the dump error log file. That is important for debugging your issues. And next is the MySQLDump.exe. MySQLDump.exe is the important file for the MySQL dumping the data. So check with the path is correct or not. So I'm checking with that path. So MySQLDump.exe is available there with the same similar path. I just copy it and check that. And backup folder, I've given the path to the folder. And next, data folder. So in data folder, I'm just checking with the data, all the database folder is available with that path or not. Yeah, that is available with that path. So this is also okay. And next, uh, I have given the zipper. So zipper, I'm giving the path for the 7j zip and the 7j.exe inside the folder zip. So I will give you the all the codings available with the my application, my uh, website, and will be available with the YouTube also, so you can download the code also. So that is a 7zip.exe. Inside the zip, that is a 7zip.exe is there. So let me check the path is correct or not. Just be sure with the path. The path is incorrect, then you will get an error. So 7z.exe available there. Next is I'm just writing my retention policy as per my company rule or your company rule. There is some retention policies defined there. How many days of data you can database backup you can keep. So I've given that 30. If you have 10 days, so you can change this variable. And on the initial settings is completed. Now I'm just pushing directly to the data folder, and here I've written the condition for with the if loop performance schema. I'm just ignoring that, and there is a code for keep just creating the backup. So with the backup, I'm just creating the log file also. If anything will error will occur, then it will go to the log file. And next, here I'm just going to zip all the file, and I'm just deleting the files. So dot star means all the file extension, any extension will be available with that folder will be zip. So zip a minus a tg, and then we just zip file name, and then what path we are just reading the file name. So this thing will give, and we'll just delete all the SQL file. This is del and .sql, and I'm deleting the .log file. So I'm just writing the log file. After writing this, I am just my retention policy condition, and I'm just deleting all the files that is more than my retention days. So my retention days is 30 days. After 30 days means 30 before 30 days, all the files will be deleted here. and so I'm writing backup successfully. I'm just returning to the script directory at the end. So this is my code. I'm just copy the code up to co-op, just copy and create a file. Here I'm going to create a batch file. File extension is not visible. File extension is not visible, then go to the view and here file option, just go there and view, and here this one, if check, then uncheck this one, and you will be able to see the file. There is a file extension. With the file extension you can able to Windows batch file. So right click on that file and edit, and just copy this code, whatever I'm selected, up to pop D. Here I'm selected, and just paste the code and save, and let me run this code. So create an open, completed. Let me go to the path. Yeah, there is a, we don't have any dump error, and the full backup is created. Right click on that and just export the backup, extract the backup. Inside there you can able to see all the files are available there. So all the files are created here, and files created with the log file, just like ChiragDB and ChiragDB log, and Chirags. There is a log file, there is a SQL file like this. Test master is log file is there, and there is a SQL file. Just open one file and check whether smaller one, a small file is quite easy to open in the notepad. If you are not able to open in the notepad, then just import and check. So see that. So my database is there. Current database is this one, test master, and table structure is defined here, and whatever the table data I have, the table data is also defined here. So I'm getting all the data, all the tables one by sorry, all the databases one by one, and with the log file also. So this is quite easy. So in this video we have learned how to create .batch file for the all the databases in the separate file backup, and create zip for the MySQL database in Windows. So code will be available with the Chirags.in and YouTube also. Just visit and just take a look, and you can download the code with the YouTube also. So thank you for watching. Hope this will help.